7.
I don't get it. I don't know.
I'll give it a 6.5.
You don't get it because you didn't watch the other movies.
Zach almost threw up. We're dropping Madison off right now, and then we're going to Braden's dad's.
We're picking up Annika.
And we gotta pick up Annika and Samara.
We're at Braden's dad's house. We've been playing headbands for 30 minutes. 20 of those minutes have been Samara trying to guess 2 cards. She guessed that it was really funny.
A lawnmower?
A lawnmower. And a broom. Because we said that I pick it up often.
And we said that it's round.
She guessed a lawnmower. Like 3 minutes later.
Who all plays it?
They won't tell me. They won't.
Oh, she also threw up all her drink on Braden's bed because I asked, am I a vegetable?
Hey Vlog Squad, so we're gonna pretend that I didn't already try this because I sent this to the group chat and they told me to vlog it for Scrum or Not, the new segment that Sat came up with. Here's the coffee. It's Scrum or Not? It's Scrum. It's Scrum. It's Scrum.
Hey vlog. Oh, I can't turn the camera around. We're lighting off fireworks.
Oh, it's orange!
Allie, if we want to, where do you think we go find snails? You not remember that TikTok I sent you? We're skateboarding.
I don't
Go.
think that my feet can fit on them, but like.
Song goes out to all my loyal and humble subscribers out there.
I love you, bitch. I'm gonna stop loving you.
Bitch. I just said I need to stop cussing. Our song is Slam Screen.
No, we're gonna get copyrighted, ugly.
I'll make it up. Give me 3 words, I'll make the song.
Dollar.
Mushroom?
Mushroom and what? Blue jean.
Okay. I went to the Dollar Tree. I went to buy some blue jeans. What was your word?
Mushroom.
I wasn't all the way there. Cause I just took some mushrooms.
Hey Vlog Squad, in today's segment,
I'm gonna make you a piece.
in today's segment of Scrum or Not, we're trying.
Scrum or Not?
Yeah, this is Scrum or Not.
How you gonna do this without me? Hold on.
Guys, it's Cannon Clark.
Don't follow him.
Make sure it doesn't have any. Yeah, don't follow him. He don't give a shout out.
Today we're trying pineapple with tahini.
Oh, but he gave us.
How much was I supposed to have?
We did.
I've personally never had tahini before, so thank you.
Do you
Okay,
block
wait.
people out of nowhere on Snap? Question mark.
Yes, he does.
What is this?
Tahini and pineapple.
All right.
Get a fork.
The fuck?
Is it all over all of it?
No.
Boom, boom.
Hell no.
That was not Scrum.
Ready?
Let me try.
What is it?
Tahini and pineapple.
I did not.
It was not good.
I'm scared.
I don't like it. Don't put on the rest of the pineapple.
Get that piece. No, on Kentucky. I don't want
Which one? This one. This one?
Yep.
This actually isn't that bad.
Exactly.
It's not good. Later, can we call Cannon Clark and ask him to do the outro?
Yes, let's FaceTime him.
I'm gonna try.
Somebody
Not
FaceTime him
Scrum.
right now.
I've never.
Allie likes it.
Braden has his number.
I don't actually like it, but I want to convince myself that I like it.
That's so real. It's good with a little bit on it.
I don't even
My mom
taste
said
it.
to me,
a lot.
put more on it. Sorry guys, I'm gonna curse.
Braden, what's his number?
I don't know. I can't say it.
I wasn't
YouTube.
expecting it to taste like that.
Give it to Zach. Put a FaceTime him and watch the live glitch.
I'm getting up alive. I'm bored.
Do you like it?
It's not bad, but like, why the fuck would anyone want to eat that?
My mom really likes it. She eats it on mango a lot.
I want to try it on mango.
Oh, yeah, I've heard that's good.
We in the car. I got my pink lemonade. Everybody's here.
Samara dropped one of my chicken nuggets.
You won't pay me back anyways. Zach doesn't pay anybody back. If Zach ever offers to pay you back, it's incorrect. Trust. I hate Samara. Break sugar. What up, guys? We at El Reparo eating. Say Say hi, guys.
Say hi, guys. Don't talk.
Hey.
The vlog. So basically, Eric side-eyed me
Soccer practice.
because I go chicken tenders and fries, and he side-eyed me. Go ahead, talk about anything.
Go back to soccer. It was okay.
My hip gave out on me. I sat out the rest of practice. Guess? Oh, I can't say that.
And honestly, it's but chicken.
What up, guys? We're at the Baseball Diamonds with Chris and Trinity. Chris wants a shout out because he got us 3 subscribers today.
Yesterday.
Gang, gang. Guys, we're doing face masks. You can't see mine. You can see Marissa's, Kylie's.
Scary.
You can't really see Brooklyn.
You can't see
Shut up, girl. Ugly.
Help me!
Samara. Samara, soccer ball.
Hi guys, it's currently 2 in the morning and we forgot to film an outro, but don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Bye guys.